How to withdraw your earnings from TikTok. Now, as an African living in Africa, and there are two options you can withdraw your money. You can either use paper to withdraw your money or you use Pioneer. Okay. Now, how do you do that? Now, for you to withdraw money from TikTok as an African living in Nigeria or in Africa or in Ghana, any part of the world, and your TikTok account is African TikTok account. I'm not talking about international TikTok account. I'm talking about that account you opened, that Nigerian account, that Ghanaian account, that South African account, and you have money in it. Now, you must have been going live. Okay, you must have been going live for you to be able to withdraw money from there, or you have subscriptions. Okay, so how do you withdraw the money you make from going live every day on TikTok? People go live on every daily basis on TikTok, and they make money. Okay, so how do you withdraw your money? That is what I will be telling you or showing you or putting you through on how you can withdraw your gift earnings on TikTok. Okay, those roses, those universe, those gold mine, those hearts you get from TikTok, how to withdraw them from TikTok. Okay, now that is what I'll be showing you in this video. If it's what you are interested in, like this video. Okay, make sure you're subscribing. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. All right, and drop a comment on the comment section. Whatever question, whatever you feel like, just drop it on the comment section. So for you to be able to withdraw money on TikTok, we have option of paper, and these days, me out of experience, I know a friend that lost about $3,000 to plus, in a paper she opened. All right. And that is TikTok earnings. She's been withdrawing it, keeping it, and boom, she lost everything. It was crazy. Okay. So for you to withdraw your money from TikTok, we have paper and we equally have Pioneer. But as a Nigerian, you will not see Pioneer as an option in your withdrawal. So in this video, I will be giving you the tricks, the best way for you to be able to withdraw your money safely. But first, you must know you have to open a Pioneer. Okay. And for those that do not know how to open a Pioneer, at the end of this video, you see how to open a Pioneer. You must open a Pioneer before you follow this step that I'm doing right now. So if this is what you're interested in, keep watching. Okay. So you must have made money, okay, before you be able to withdraw money. Okay, right? So let's dive into it. All right, let me show you my phone how to do that. Withdraw it from TikTok and straight to your Pioneer. It is as easy as ABCD. The first thing you need to do is go to your TikTok app. When you open it, you go to your profile. You open it, you go to the three lines up there. Click on it, you go to settings and privacy, you go to balance. Now you see the balance you have from gift revenue. Okay, then you click on it. When you click on it, you see withdrawal. Click on the withdrawal. Let's wait for it to open. When it opens, this is what you see. Then that country region, click on it. When you click on it, you see Algeria. Click on Algeria. When you click on Algeria, the option of Pioneer will come up. Okay, when you click on the Pioneer, you'll be asked to for your email, to key in your email. Okay, sorry, the first thing is to get the code, the 4-digit code that TikTok will send you to verify you're aware of the withdrawal. Okay, so I have to go to my message. Let me get it from my message. Okay, open it and I'll copy it. Yeah, copy and paste it. Then it will seconds. Yeah, We are good to go. Then you click on agree and continue. And click on continue. Then you click on, you'll be asked to bring in your Pioneer email address. Pioneer email address. Then you click on link up. You see the option there. You can create it immediately if you don't even have. Then you key in, this is your Pioneer page. Now you key in your email address and password. Your Pioneer email address and password. Pioneer email address and password though. Not TikTok home. Pioneer email address and password. Then when you click on it, click on sign in. I made mistake. Let me correct it. Let me correct the password. I think I missed something out. Here we go. It went. Process. Your account is being validated. Please wait for a few seconds. Wait, guys. Wait. Binding failed. Think it's there. Okay. Here it is. It went. It has been connected. So if you ask how much you want to withdraw. Now let me withdraw $100. Let me withdraw $100. Let me withdraw $100. Let me withdraw 100. Yeah, this is it. Here we go. Confirm to withdraw. Yeah, you click on it. Withdrawal in progress. Funds should be arriving in a minute. Guys, I got the money immediately, not in a business day or whatever. I got the money immediately. The money came immediately. I'll be showing you guys on my Pioneer account. Let's move. Let's go. I'm going off TikTok right now. Let's go to the Pioneer. The app is in my phone already. You see my balance. The money went in to my Pioneer account. The money is there. I'll key in my password right now. Let me key in my password. So that is how you transfer your money from TikTok to Pioneer account without stress. Very easy. Pioneer, it is as safe as anything. It is so safe. So for me, Pioneer is the best option to any other way of withdrawing in any platform. Okay. Now, once you withdraw it to your Pioneer, you can decide to, transfer it to your own bank account, either in Naira, any currency, in dollars if you have domiciliary account. Now, bear this. That Pioneer account you just linked, anytime you want to withdraw, you don't need to connect it again. It is done already. All right. Another thing I want to say is Pioneer, it's only connected to that TikTok once. What am I saying? If you connect your account, your Pioneer to TikTok, that particular TikTok cannot accept another Pioneer except paper. So that Pioneer you connected, please let it be Pioneer you know that years to come, you will continue using it. So that not when you feel maybe the person you're using it tells you people have crash or something, you cannot use it. You cannot connect more than, like, it is one time connection for Pioneer and 8 times connection for paper. So it's not a connection you can just disconnect anytime and connect. No. Please have it at the back of your mind. All right. And the Pioneer is safe. It's very, very safe. Okay. So if you have any question concerning Pioneer, any question concerning TikTok, feel free and drop it on the comment section. And if you have not liked the video, please do like the video. All right. So see you on my next video and remain blessed.